Uh, okay, that. Yay, solve the 2 by 2 cube. Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you how to solve the 2 by 2 cube or 2 by 2 cube. First, let's learn about the pieces. So a 2 by 2 cube only consists of 8 pieces, and those pieces are all corner pieces. Corner pieces have 3 stickers. There are many. When I meant many, there are 8. So this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, now let's learn about notation. If you know how to solve the 3 by 3, you will know notation. But if you don't, I'll teach you how to solve the 2 by 2. So F stands for the front face relative to you. B stands for the back. U stands for up. D stands for down. R stands for right. And L stands for left. If you see a letter, it means to turn the corresponding face clockwise by 90 degrees. So U would mean to turn the up face clockwise by 90 degrees. If you see a letter and prime symbol next to it, and an apostrophe next to it, say a prime symbol, then that means to turn the corresponding face counterclockwise by 90 degrees. So R prime would mean to turn the right face counterclockwise by 90 degrees. That. If you see a 2, it means to turn the face 2 times in either direction. For example, D2 would mean to turn the down face 2 times. Okay, now since we learned about the basics, let's go and scramble the 2 by 2 up. If it's already scrambled up, you don't need to scramble it. Okay, the 2 by 2 doesn't take that many moves to scramble because it has less number of pieces. So what you have to do is start by finding a white piece over here. And now rotate the layers so that you get this, like this L-shaped thing on the top. After you do that, make sure the last corner piece is at the bottom. My corner piece is not at the bottom, so I will have to move it to the bottom. Nope, I should. When I meant bottom, the white should be facing at the bottom, but now it's not, so I will make it face the bottom. Still not facing the bottom. Okay, now I got that. Okay, now I made white face the bottom. Now let's search for a line. So here's one line over here. So could you see this line? Yep. So let's keep it. So let's keep our white sticker right under that line and turn it 2 times. But you ruined that line, but you didn't actually. It's at the bottom. So just move it to a free spot and just do F2 and then it'll be solved. Okay, now I'll show you how to solve the first layer. But I'll just scramble it up a little bit so that I can tell you all the possibilities. Okay, so you're going to be learning an algorithm. Well, the algorithm goes like this. If you have no sides matching, if side is matching, there will be a blue over here or any color. Then you have to face it away and do the algorithm. But if you have none matching, then just do the algorithm and you'll have one matching. So the algorithm goes like this. R prime, D prime, R, L, D, L prime, R prime, D prime, R. And now you'll have one side matching like I do here. Now face that away. But this might look like I'm facing it to you, but if I face it this way, it's clear, so I will face that way. Now I'll do the algorithm again. R prime, D prime, R, L, D, L prime, R prime, D prime, and finally R. Now you solve the first layer. If you didn't memorize that algorithm, you can again go and memorize that algorithm. Okay, now since you solved the first layer, let's flip the whole cube over like 2 times, not 1 time. So this layer should be facing the bottom. Now let's look at all the possibilities. So look at the top face. If you have 2 corners over here, like 2 yellows facing the top, or no yellows facing the top, then you'll always have a pair over here. Face it on the left side. So left hand side over here. And now do another algorithm. R, U, R prime, U, R, U2, R prime. If you know how to solve a 3 by 3, you will know this algorithm though. And if you again get 0 or 2 corners on the top face, in this case I have only 1. If you have 2 or 0 though, then do the same thing. You'll again have a pair. If you don't have a pair, you'll have only 1 corner. And just orient that 1 corner onto the left side and then do the algorithm. Then you will have then you will have 2 like this. You'll have another one facing over here. Then you get to choose. So if you have double of those, you get to choose what corner goes on the left side. So I only have 1 corner, so this corner can only go on the left side. But if you have another corner here, then you can choose what corner you want to go on the left side. And after that, you solve it normally. So after you orient it to that side, then now do the same algorithm. R, U, R prime, U, R, U2, R prime. You might have to do that algorithm 1 more time by orienting the fish and doing it again, but that's a part. It's okay if you get it again. Now, if you have 0 matching, like the same case, so if you have 0 matching, I have 1 pair matching over here. If you have 0 matching, do this algorithm once. But if you have 1 pair matching, instead of facing it away this time, you need to hold it on your left side. See, now on the salt side is on the left side. But if you have no salt sides, then you can choose any side you want. And then after that, you have to move there and then. So the algorithm goes like this. L prime, U, R, U prime, L, U, R prime, and same algorithm. R, U, R prime, U, R, U2, R prime. Now I solved the 2 by 2 cube. Yay! Okay, now I'll teach you another algorithm just for fun. It goes like this. R, U, R prime, U prime. R, U, R prime, U prime. Now if you do that 6 times in a row, like if you do it once, that's 1 time, and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, you'll return the cube to the solid state. You might have to watch it again because you might not grasp all the concepts so quickly, but it's okay. You can watch the tutorial again. And now, bye-bye guys. See you in my 3 by 3 tutorial. We'll upload that soon. Now I'm off. Bye guys.